Ever spend hours crafting interview questions only to realize your data's all over the place? Or struggled to synthesize messy notes into actionable insights? The User Research Pack solves this with pre built interview guides for generative, evaluative, and contextual inquiries, ISO certified usability testing frameworks, Likert scale optimized survey templates, and affinity mapping toolkits with color coded tagging. Whether you're a seasoned UX researcher, a product manager juggling studies, or a designer drowning in post it notes, this pack turns chaos into clarity. Stop reinventing the wheel. Let's get real work done. Here's what's inside the User Research Pack: interview guide modules for discovery sessions, feature validation, and accessibility audits. Usability testing frameworks with task scenarios mapped to heart metrics. Survey templates with branching logic for quantitative rigor. Insight synthesis toolkits including digital affinity diagramming and journey map canvases. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your research workflow just got a steroid shot. Installing the User Research Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add User Research Pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: interview scripts, test protocols, analysis templates, and synthesis tools, all synced to your workspace. Next time you open Claude Code, your AI assistant will auto-load research best practices, from consent forms to Kano model analysis. No PhD required. Just ship quality insights, faster than you can say statistically significant. Your roadmap just thanked you.